Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you the fastest way to get ray gun. Three ways. The last one, I'm not doing a fourth way because I don't know how to get there. But anyways, so the first way is to beg for it, of course. The second way is right over here. You just unlock it. But anyways, the third way, you're gonna need not even a big bag. You can just get a little one. You'll need 2 of these, and you'll need this. I'm gonna use this to get over to the spot. Same spot to get grapple. So then you activate it, throw it under there. Then you'll grab these 2. This is also how you get to Haunted Mansion. Now you have these 2. You come over here, and then you'll aim right behind that waterfall looking thing. Just like so. And now if you have a pickaxe, you can just go ahead and mine ore. But I'm teaching you how to get ray gun. So you'll just, if you don't care about that, you'll just skip right onto here. And then you'll need 2,000 at least. So you'll just do that. And then hopefully not die. And then you'll point up, and now you have a ray gun. I hope this helped you. Oh shoot! Oh, that scared. Oh, that scared me, bro. I don't think y'all understand how scared I was. Let me kill this thing real quick. Alright, so that's how you get ray gun. And then if you want to learn how to get hookshot, then you'll go to my channel and look for my hookshot video. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Hope it helped you. Subscribe and like the video if it helped you. Bye.